In this video, we are going to discuss the different aspects of a video doorbell. We will talk about features, installation, and how to use it. Check out the video and see for yourself if it is something that you would like to add to your home security suite. What is video doorbell? The video doorbell is a smarter, more reliable, and a better version of the typical two-way doorbells. It'll connect to your phone, computer, tablet, or other devices via the home internet. You can get a live video feed with audio from your doorway and see who's in front. Good thing is, it doesn't only work in the house, but also when you're away from home. All you need is internet connection on both your device and your home. The video doorbell will work like a guard at your doorway as it has a motion sensor to wake up. Whenever somebody walks by or comes close, it will alert you and give you the live feed. You can either open the door or call the police depending on what the doorbell is showing you. Main key features of video doorbell. The video doorbell has really been a great help for me, keeping my home secure and under constant surveillance. Here are the key features of the video doorbell that made this device a revolutionary one. Push wake up. There's a push button on the doorbell body that wakes up the machine and alerts you instantly. You can set multiple sounds inside the speaker that goes to a wall mount to alert you on the push. Besides, the push button is illuminated, so it's a lot easier to navigate in the night as well. PIR motion sensor. Not just the button wakes up the machine, but also there's a PIR motion sensor feature to do that. It detects every movement that happens in front of the doorbell and alerts me on the phone wherever I am. Besides, it can automatically record the scene if the sensor detects any suspicious movement. Wireless alert. Getting alerts from my doorsteps has never been so easy with the video doorbell as I get wireless alerts. It uses my home internet to connect me via phone to alert me whenever it detects motion or movement. I get alerts almost instantly to react really fast upon the alert. Real-time video. Another great feature of the video doorbell is its real-time video capability. If you set the function as so, it'll take short videos of everybody who comes in front of the door. The video is 166 degrees wide angle and high definition at 720p for clear view. Plus, I get live feed to my phone. Two-way audio. Whenever I get notification from the video doorbell, I can interact with the person I'm looking at real time. I can talk to the delivery person and instruct him where to leave the parcel. Plus, this feature allows me to interact with any unknown person who wants to come inside. Night vision. Great thing about the video doorbell is its night vision camera module that makes it the best home security gear. It detects the light condition around the device and activates the monochrome night vision mode automatically. Now I have complete security 24/7 continuously. Fast push. Not only does the device give me an online video doorbell feature, but also it offers push notification for phone numbers. It makes the process a lot easier to keep things in order, especially when you don't have your phone connected to the internet. How does the video doorbell work? The working method of the video doorbell is fairly straightforward, although the internal process is really complex. It starts the process by detecting a movement in front of the door or whenever someone pushes the onboard button. After that, the machine activates the camera and alerts you about the event, both at the same time. It also starts taking a short video at HD quality and the process is automated. You get an 8 GB storage to keep the footage and audios from conversions. It gives you two-way audio with it to talk to the person in front of your door if you need so. Should you buy the video doorbell? So, should you buy the video doorbell or not? My suggestion would be going for it without any hesitation, especially if you need extra security. It's going to take your home security to a whole new level and get you complete relief. Besides, when you have a package to receive while you're out, it gives you two-way conversion. When you have a suspicious movement in front, you have HD video evidence to show the police. Not to mention, your every family member will get access to the live feed to the doorbell if you want. I couldn't ask anything more from such an affordable doorbell. It's a great value for money for sure because of its features and perks. I hope that the video doorbell review helped you decide why you should get it. It changed the way I used to manage my home surveillance, and I'm sure it will do the same for you, too. If it does, or if you need further expert's view, let me know how you've deployed the machine.